The next question that we're going to revise involves double if. Right, usually many students stumble upon these type of questions because they're pretty challenging. Alright, so let me share with you our methods for solving these type of questions, and hopefully you will find this method useful for your exams. If Jacob gives Emily 50 lollipops, he will have 5 times as many lollipops as her. If Jacob gives Emily 120 lollipops, he will have 3 times as many lollipops as her. How many lollipops does Emily have at first? Alright, let's look at the first if. Okay, if Jacob gives Emily 50 lollipops, he will have 5 times as many lollipops as her. In other words, let's draw a table for Emily and Jacob. And in the end, alright, Jacob has 5 times as many lollipops as Emily. So Jacob will be 5 units, while Emily will be 1 unit. Okay? And do take note, okay, these 5 units is after Jacob gives 50 lollipops to Emily. Alright, so here will be minus 50, here is plus 50. So to find the before, you need to work backwards. You will take 5 units plus 50. Then you take 1 unit minus away 50. Okay, so this will be the before for both Jacob and Emily. Alright, and now the next step is to draw another table. Okay, and then you copy and paste the same before for both Jacob and Emily. Do you know why do we do that? That's because of this keyword here. Right, if. Alright, if means that it's just an imaginary condition. In other words, the total doesn't change. That's why the before for both Jacob and Emily remains the same. Okay, so you copy and paste the same before for both Jacob and Emily. And now you apply the change for the second if. Okay, Jacob gives Emily 120. So here will be minus 120. Here will be plus 120. Alright, so when you take 50 minus 120, you get negative 70. Okay, you can check that using your calculator. While minus 50 plus 120, you get plus 70. Okay, and now the question says that he has 3 times as many lollipops as her. It means that this will be 3 parts and this will be 1 part. Alright, and now these questions involve solving units and parts. As you can recall, to solve units and parts, you need to make the parts the same. Alright, so how do we make this the same as this? You need to times 3 over here, right? Okay, so 5u minus 70 will be equals to 3 times of 1u plus 70. Do you understand why? Right, because when you times 3 over here, you get 3 parts. Alright, and because this is also 3 parts, so 5u minus 70 will be equals to 3 times of 1u plus 70. Alright, so 5u minus 70 will be 3 unit plus 210. Alright, 3 times 1 unit, 3 unit. 3 times 70 is 210. Then you bring the 3 unit over. Right, 5u minus 3u, you get 2 unit. When you bring a negative 70 over, you get a plus. Alright, so 210 plus 70, you get 280. So 1 unit will be 280 divided by 2, which is 140. The question asks for the lollipops that Emily have at first. They're looking for this. Alright, so you take 140 minus 50. You will get a final answer of 90 lollipops.